Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Serger sewing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Brother Serger 1034DX Durable Metal Frame Overlock Machine 1300 stitches per minute. A true workhorse that offers the benefits of high-end machines, but at a much lower price point. The Brother 1034DX Serger is an excellent choice for novice and seasoned Serger enthusiasts. This model is one of the easiest to thread given its color-coded and numbered threading instructions. One of the most appealing aspects of this machine is that it lets you adjust your stitch width easily. You can go anywhere from between a 5mm to 7mm range for creating bold designs. You can also take advantage of the removable free arm feature and enjoy an impressive speed of 1300 stitches per minute. Work with the freedom of using 3 to 4 different threads simultaneously to make your sewing projects even more unique. There is a 22 stitch function along with ribbon lock, rolled hems to give your work that professional touch. This Serger also has a built-in retractable knife blade that can be used for trimming edges. This feature will also help you align the fabric neatly, taking all the guesswork out of your sewing. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Singer ProFinish 14CG 754-2-3-4 Thread Serger. The CG in this machine's name, Singer 14CG 754, stands for commercial grade, letting you experiment with many different serging options. It offers you a 6-stitch option including flat lock, rolled hem, 4-thread mock stretch and 2-stretch overlock stitches among others. This model works well with many types of fibers including natural and synthetic. You can even work on activewear fiber easily and stitch your own yoga pants and workout outfits. Like many others in this category, this Singer Serger also offers a speed of 1300 stitches per minute. You can also adjust the stitch width and length based on the type of details you are creating. Try your hand at making ruffles by changing the feed ratio, or use your machine for pucker-free stitching. That said, the Singer 14CG 754 offers all the basics of serging as well, making it a good fit for people who are just starting out with serging. If you're in the market for a perfect Serger, but not sure about your serging skills, this may be the machine to opt for. Featuring a very reasonable price tag, with adequate serging features, this is our budget pick on this list. At number 3, we have the Brother Coverstitch Serger. Aptly named the Brother 2340CV Coverstitch, this is a Serger designed to provide a variety of cover stitches for function and decoration. This is a heavy-duty sewing machine which gives you multiple distinct features for the money. This model features 1, 2, 3 needle options and works well to create a variety of cover stitches on multiple types of fabric. You can work on casual projects as well as decorative styles with a 2340 CV. Its versatility will let you tackle stretchy garments such as swimsuits as well as dance attires while working on interior edges and decorative stitching on less challenging fabrics. The cover stitch will provide beauty, durability, and protection to your garments and fabric from fraying. This Serger will match the competition, offering 1300 stitches per minute like many others on this list. The adjustable stitch length on this model ranges between 2 to 4 mm. Easily featuring the biggest stitch width range on the list, this Serger lets you adjust stitches between 2.3 to 7 mm wide. This feature may well be one of its strongest points as you get stitch width control not available with other competitor models. Because it is made for cover stitching, you can also attach elastic, tape, lace and work with circular hems for collars and cuffs. This also means that this Serger won't cut while sewing like a standard model would. When compared with other models, this offers the quietest operation by far. At number 2, we have the Juki Missouri 644D Portable Serger. If you sew against the clock, then this Juki model may just be your best friend. The Juki Missouri 644D offers an exceptional speed of 1,500 stitches per minute, leaving standard sergers behind. It also offers 7 stitching functions including both 3 and 2 thread rolled hem, 3 thread flatlock and much more. In addition, you can get the perfect finish with functions like piping, beading, cording, blind stitching and adding elastic. Plus, its multi-functioning foot will let you add on other accessories like tape and sequins. The Juki Mo 6448 is also an ideal option when it comes to working with layers without compromising thread tension. The Serger works quietly and solidly with minimal vibration, giving smooth results. You can use it with a range of fibers from natural and fine fibers to knits, synthetics, and everything in between. However, it is not suitable for upholstery, leather, fur, canvas, or plastic. Despite its multifunctional capacity and immense speed, the Juki is a compact and easily portable sewing machine. Measuring only 10.6 x 13.4 by 11.6 inches makes Juki the most compact model on this list. When you invest in this model, you give your projects a professional touch with all its diverse functions. And finally at number 1, we have the Brother Serger DZ1234 metal frame overlock machine. Definitely one of the more interesting and advanced models on the list. This Serger from Brother has all the aesthetics and functions in place. This model features a 3 to 4 thread capability with 23 of its own built-in stitches. You can work at a speed of 1,300 stitches per minute and choose from different options like 3 to 4 thread overlock, narrow, rolled hem, and ribbon lock stitches. Both the stitch length and width are adjustable with ranges between 2 to 4 mm and 3 to 7 mm respectively. With this option, you have the choice of different sized stitches that will create flat seam finishes even on lighter fabrics. This model has 3 interchangeable feet including a gathering, a piping and a blind hem stitch foot. Of these, the first gathers and connects fabric while giving it a finished edge. The second guides narrow piping and holds zippers in place, while the third joins and stitches edges or attaches fabric pieces together. These 3 presser feet on this model can be raised to a maximum height of 6 mm, giving you plenty of space to work with thicker fabrics or multiple layers. The adjustable differential feed ratio adds to this convenience, further allowing you to use delicate or thick fabrics without any hassle. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.